for today, our topic for today is all about a liquid. Again, ano po yung topic natin today?
Liquid!
But before that, let's proceed to our objective. Okay, babasahin po ni teacher yung ating objective today. At the end of this lesson, the students are expected to first, name and describe the properties of liquid according to its taste and smell. Second, show curiosity and interest in observing and exploring different liquid materials in the surrounding using their sense of smell and taste. Let's focus na sa ating topic. Ang topic natin again is all about a liquid. Ibigay na example about sa liquid. Yes, Tivia.
Ang water po.
Ayan, very good. Another one ay
Coffee po.
last example.
Swimming pool.
Other answer po.
Milk tea po.
Ayan, very good. Topic natin today. But before that, here's the meaning of a liquid. Liquid is an object that occupies space and takes the shape of the container. Yun yung occupy ng space or ng container ng isang bagay. Naiintindihan po ba?
Opo!
Ayan. Next naman is sino pa pwede magbasa? Other hand po.
Liquids come in different colors like black, red, and yellow. Some liquids are colorless.
Ayan, yung sample ng liquid.
Strawberry.
Anong kulay po?
Color brown po, teacher.
Ayan, very good. So, yung liquid daw, ito yung occupies ng space ng container. Ayan, naintindihan po ba?
Opo!
Ayan, very good. Next naman is, smell good like perfume, syrup, shampoo, and fabric conditioner. Other have a bad smell like fish, sauce, and vinegar. Some liquid are odorless. So, familiar po kayo sa vinegar?
Opo!
Lahat ng nabanggit ay?
Liquid.
Ayan, mahusay. May example dito si teacher. Unang example ay?
Juice.
Pangalawa?
Shampoo.
Third?
Water.
Fourth?
Cologne.
Fifth?
Soap.
Again?
Soap.
Next?
Soy sauce.
Next?
Vinegar.
And lastly?
Bleach.
Ayan, very good. Bigay maliban dito sa binigay na example ni teacher ng example ng liquid. Yes, Miss Laurie, oil. Very good. Other answer?
Honey.
Yan, very good. Girls at the back. Other hand po. Yes.
Soft drinks.
Ayan. Naiintindihan po ba sa lesson natin today?
Opo!
Ayan. Bago tayo umuwi, alam kong may natutunan kayo sa ating topic. Ngayon naman, may ipapa-assignment si teacher sa inyo. Sino po pwedeng magbasa ng assignment? Miss Balcon?
Assignment. List count 5 examples of liquid that you can see in your house.
Naiintindihan po ba kung